Hi guys, so today on YouTube video, I'm gonna show you our new digital planner. We got Extrovert Life and Introvert Life. So first, I'm gonna start from Extrovert Life first. I'm gonna show you our Extrovert tools. So basically, Extrovert is a social person. We got social overview here. And this is the most interesting to our Extrovert Life. We got our Extrovert word here. And we got so many questions our Extrovert. What kind of extrovert are you? You can feel on here and answer on here. Next, we got the extrovert advantage. Tips and trick on here. Next, we got checklist here. You can checklist and fill the stuff on here. Family gathering, social highlights, host an event, and event tracker, and etc. Next, we move to our calendar. And of course, we got 5 tabs that you can click. Next, this is our daily page looks like. You can click on the schedule too, our weekly and monthly. And of course, we got icon that you can click. And yes, we got notes template here too, our growth and development, our social media. There is so many choices that you can click. And I promise you, you won't be bored of it. So we got custom apps on here too. This is what I already chose on the beginning. You can just click and open it. So this is what our custom apps looks like. You can checklist the custom app and start to choose what you want. Don't worry guys, our digital planner already including Apple and Android. Next, this is our index. You can choose full index with the minimalist style. Or you like the other one, full index like this? We got that. Life management, extrovert essential only, and growth and development. Okay, I choose this one, full index. You see, as what I said before, I promise you, you won't be bored of this planner. So many choice and endless choice. Next, we move to 2 is an introvert word. So basically, introvert is non-social person. We got our inner life overview here. And this is our introvert word. So interesting. What kind of introvert are you? We got so many questions and checklists that you can fill. The introvert advantage. Tips and tricks are here too. We got my John here. Digital detox, mindfulness, dream journal, self-discovery, and overview. This is our calendar. Daily, monthly, and weekly. We got different tools here. We got hobby and DIY here. And of course on the corner you got so many choices that you can click. On the entertainment, we got so many choices inside the book that you can click. From challenge, and then wishlist, upcoming book, reading log, and book I own. And we got reflection here too, self-love, self-awareness, and etc. Okay, now we got background color and decoration that you can choose based on what you like. You can choose your favorite apps too. And next you can choose the Android or iOS apps. Or maybe you want to custom your own apps link. Okay guys, so I think it's enough for today. If you want to add something, you can just drop your comment and we will answer your comment. You can get all of this planner on our Etsy store. Have a nice day everyone. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Bye bye!